An open heart talk with the Chancellor. Faculty members play a key role in building an institution. Seeking their input and engaging them are two important factors for an organization's success. We at Chandigarh University believe in listening and getting the valuable feedback of all stakeholders. We empower our staff and faculty members to share the issue faced and encourage them to come up with suggestions for the growth of the university. Conducting an open house session with Honorable Chancellor and higher authorities is one way to hear and value their feedback at Chandigarh University. The platform creates an environment conducive to listening, adding values to the leadership between the faculty and the top management.
So in this open house, faculty, they can share their opinions, their voice, their concerns, and they share the constructive feedback about the academic standards, principles, policies, structure, to have the quick, prompt remedial actions. So we look forward to have these sessions to be more fruitful, more prompt, and which will, improve our work culture and life cycle being an employee here at Chandigarh University, and enables us to make this place a happiest place to work.
I have an experience of more than 30 years, but I have never been witness to an organization as conducive as at Chandigarh University. The Honorable Chancellor has himself taken upon a number of initiatives to obtain employee feedback. Working at Chandigarh University, given its physical infrastructure and psychological openness, is always a treat. It gives you a sense of belongingness and motivates one to contribute an optimum level of performance.
Almost all the issues raised in the open house are properly heard, and it is the great session.
Actually, open house is quite important for the newcomers as well as for the old faculty, so that if they can raise their voice in front of the higher management, any difficulty they are finding out, they can discuss with the management straight away.
This is very good concept. Like जो मेरे को आज इस बार जो मेरे को लगा, it's very good, क्योंकि जो चांसलर सर ने एक बात बोली कि बोलने का हक सबको है. Like that is very 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 good. मतलब एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. So जो लोग काफ़ी टाइम से इस बार बोले नहीं थे, जो 5 से 6 साल पुराने लोग थे, और वो भी इस बार बोले. So that is something very good.
We just had a straight talk of employees meeting with the Chancellor of Chandigarh University. He interacted with each and every faculty member from the heart. He heard voices and he gave answers, not just as a guru, a mentor, but a true life coach.
We effectively make them a part of the decision-making process to take the institution to the next level. We not only respect their valuable words, but also make an action-taken report that shows the implementation of the inputs drawn from the previous session. Chandigarh University, the happiest place to work. We share and we care.